Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about implicit differentiation. For each problem, use implicit differentiation to find dy dx in terms of x, y. So, if I was given this by itself, or this problem, 3x squared plus 3 equals the natural log of 5xy squared. Well, the left-hand side's easy. Derive that with 6x, and we don't need plus 3, derivative of that is 0. Derivative of natural log, well, natural log is 1 over u prime, u being what's in this parentheses. So 1 over 5xy squared times the derivative of the parentheses. Now, derivative of the parentheses, we have the 5 on the outside, and we'll do that coefficient. Derivative of x is just 1 times y squared, plus, now the derivative of the product rule, we have x times 2y times dy dx. And that's what we want to get by itself. Now, the 5's can cancel here. Pretty easy to see that, do that, get that by itself. So what I'm going to do now is multiply both sides by xy squared. By doing that, it eliminates this. So I have, well, 6 times 6x times x is 6x squared and y squared equals all this, y squared plus, let's rearrange that to xy dy dx. Now we subtract the y squared to both sides, so we have 6x squared y squared minus y squared equals 2xy dy dx. Now all I have to do is divide 2xy to both sides, and then I'll dy dx by itself. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to flip it, put dy dx first. So let's put that here, dy dx is equal to, this is my numerator, 6x squared minus y squared over this here, 2xy. And there we have it. Now, you could simplify this a little bit. The y's can cancel out some of those. Up to you. I'm pretty much fine as it is. So here we are. Oops, kind of cut through that x. It's all good. Our final answer, dy dx, is equal to 6x squared minus y squared over 2xy. So let's recap. We're given 3x squared plus 3 equals natural log of 5xy squared. What we're going to do is derive both sides here. Left-hand side, easy, was a 6x. Right-hand side, use what we know, the derivative of natural log. 1 over u times u prime. Okay. When we did that, the 5 canceled. All right. And then what I did, I kind of left that big parenthesis there, but I had my dy dx. I multiplied both sides by xy squared to get 6x squared y squared left. Then I subtracted y squared to both sides. Then divide by 2xy to both sides, giving me my final answer. Again, dy dx equals 6x squared y squared minus y squared over 2x.